Is this for real? Melting shower jelly. What? Hi guys, in this video we are going to be unboxing the Sephora Beauty Advent Calendar. This is by the brand of Sephora and the cost of it is 30 euros. We have 24 products and I think the price in the US is $45. It is a little bit more expensive. The theme of the box is Frosted Party. We have the snow, mountains and these cute penguins all over the box. Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to calculate the overall value of all the products to see if it is more than 30 euros or $45. It is very lightweight and I'm not gonna lie, it smells like acetone. That makes me a little bit nervous. It opens like a book and we have this beautiful design inside of it. Why am I holding the advent calendar like this? Door number 1 is right up here. Ooh, it's so cute. And we have something like a lipstick. We have 4 grams of product. It is made in Italy. And the shade is number 3. Okay, so we have a full-size lipstick, I think. On the lipstick it says #cream. So this is a creamy lipstick. We can see that. Let's see the color that we have. Ooh, it's very creamy. #creamy. This one has a satin finish and we have this very pretty light pink mauvish lip shade. The outer packaging of this lipstick is cardboard and the rest of it is plastic. Also the lipstick is scentless. Door number 2 is some little stars. What is that? This is the pillow bottle. What? Oh, Fizzing star. Okay, so this is a bath bomb, I'm guessing. Oh, it smells so nice. It is very tiny. We have 15 grams of Fizzing cuteness. It is made in France and I don't have any more information. So let's see door number 3 now. Ooh, what is this? Express Eye Makeup Remover Wipe. I have 2 wipes here. 2 wipes! We don't even have a package. With cornflower extract. Each wipe has 1.87 grams of product. And we have 2 wipes. 2 wipes! 1 sealed wipe for each eye. Oh my god, this is for 1 eye. I'm speechless. On door number 4 it says the secret gifts. It's not secret anymore. What is it? Oh, I thought it was a box. And I was hoping that it was a lipstick or something. This is a pineapple nose mask. The packaging is super pretty with this pineapple, and this one is enriched in pineapple extract of natural origin, refines and evens the look of skin texture on the nose for less visible pores and visibly smoother skin. I don't like getting sheet masks in the advent calendars because you're going to use them just once. After that, door number 5 is here. Oops, I took it. Let's have fun. I know, I agree. What is this? Melting shower jelly. What? Body shower gel. Do they actually sell this like this? Or do they have an actual packaging for the shower gel? Oh my god, this advent calendar. I think this is not a lot of product to use all over my body. 9.5 milliliters? I don't know. I think it's very small. 666, where are you 6? Let's continue with this cute penguin here and door number 6. Oh, I see something different. It smells like pencil, but it has a very intense scent. And this is the lip liner to go in the shade 3 Classic Red. Obviously, this is not a full-size product. It has a very strong scent. Let's see the color. Ooh, it's very creamy. And this is a bright red lip shade. This one is going to work very nicely with the red lipstick that I got in the Sephora Favorites Advent Calendar. It's very creamy and also not very sticky. Door number 7 is very small. What the heck is that? What do we have here? Is this for real? I can't believe it. This one here is a plastic elastic hairband in this neon pink color. Yeah. It is very flexible. You can also use it like a bracelet if you like the color. And let's see if it works. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I think it's not that bad. It doesn't hold my hair very tightly. I would prefer another color, like something transparent, so it wouldn't look... Oh, it's difficult to take it off. It took my hair with it. Bad elastic. I would prefer a different color or another product. I'm trying to stay positive, but a lot of disappointments in this advent calendar. 8, where are you? 8. Where's 8? We don't have 8. No, I'm kidding. Oh my god. Individual wipes again. Oh my god. And these are the Express Eye Makeup Remover wipes. Just a sec. Are these the same? They are exactly the same. La 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 la. I'm not losing my hope. Let's continue. And door number 9 is somewhere here. Here it is. Let's see. This one is the colorful shimmer in the shade 204 under the cover. It says colorful and this is white. How do we open this? I don't want to break it. It's not easy to open. Okay, finally. It is a single eyeshadow with this white frosty finish. Ooh, okay. It has a drier formula and with 2-3 layers you can make it more pigmented and opaque. It's not very shiny and on the lighter skin tones you can use it as a highlighter. Up next, door number 10. Ooh, a small little bath bomb. Again. Oh, this one smells so good. This is the Beach Vibes Fizzing Star. It smells so nice. It reminds me of summer and beachy days. But again, I think this is very small. What do you guys think about the size of it? Door number 11 looks like it hides a lip pencil or eye pencil. Let's see. And the next product is the eye pencil to go in the shade 9 Intense Black. So this one is not very creamy or very stiff. It has a very nice black color and it is easy to blend it, but it's not super creamy. Door number 12 is super tiny. Do we have a sharpener? And this cutie pie here is a pin. Okay, I was not expecting in a beauty advent calendar a pin. Oh my god. Door number 13 is here. Oh no. Again? This time we have the Instant Nail Polish Remover Wipes. They contain white peach extract and we have 2 wipes. We have 2.63 grams of product on each wipe. Why we love it? To remove the nail polish in 1 short minute. I have actually tried something similar to this product here by Maybelline. It is a German brand and they are very practical, but I had a lot of wipes and we only got 2. By the way, they don't smell like acetone, so I don't know what it smells here. Up next, door number 14. Ooh, a tiny product again. This is the Melting Shower Jelly in pillow bottle. And this is tiny as well. So is this the Travel Beauty Advent Calendar? Maybe it is. Let me know in the comments if you have tried a shower gel by Sephora. Door number 15. This is the Shea Lip Mask. It is moisturizing and smoothing. A shot of serious skincare and fun. We have some directions on the back of the packaging. It can make your lips repaired, softer and more beautiful. Moving on to door number 16. Ooh, something cute and tiny again. This one is the penguin nail file, super cute and adorable. You can keep this in your bag, and it is a two-sided nail file. That's good, at least we don't have one side. For door number 17, I'm guessing that we have a lipstick. Nope, it's not. So we have here nail stickers or stencils. We have 11 of them. It is a little weird. A lot of times we have more. Maybe we have some more of these in the advent calendar because I think they are not a lot. Door number 18 is the cutest. And it is a lipstick? Nope. This is a nail polish. We have 5 milliliters and the shade of it is Rose Bouquet. And we have this very light pink mauvish shade. Oh, we have 2 cups. Okay, let's see the color. This is a very nice nail color for the season. This happy penguin here hides something exciting behind the door 19. Oh, it's not so exciting. This is the charcoal nose strip. It says it works. A strip enriched with charcoal extract for skin that is smooth, clear and more radiant. Yes, we want that. I have never tried sheet masks by Sephora. Let me know if you have a favorite product by Sephora. On door number 20 we have a message. This says the giant gift. I don't think so. My giant gift is very small, and this is the one-side mirror with a beautiful penguin design. The mirror is very clear and it looks very sturdy. Also, it is very pretty. This is the giant gift of cuteness. I get it now. Here we have door number 21 with a mask again. These are the grape eye masks. And we have 1 pair. Oh, this is enriched with grape extract of natural origin and smoothing ingredient. Diminish the visibility of wrinkles, lines and crow's feet. For skin that appears firmer and visibly smoother. Who doesn't want that? Let me know in the comments if you want me to try all of the face masks together in a video. I'm gonna be honest, this is not looking promising. I'm guessing this is a filler product as well. Oh, what is this? Again? My prayers are answered now. We have a transparent hairband as well. Are we going to get any makeup? I don't want to try it again, but we have this elastic hairband. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Door number 23. Oh, it looks like a lipstick. The packaging of this one is super cute. We have watermelons all over it. And this is a watermelon lip balm. It is made in Italy and we have 3.5 grams of product. I think it is a full size. Oh, it smells very nice. Very nice. One thing is for sure, they really want us to have beautiful skin, beautiful lips, but we don't have makeup products. Here we have door number 24. We don't have an eyeshadow palette, a blush, mascara. Oh, at least it is makeup. We have here the cream lip stain in the shade 40 Pink Tea. It is made in Italy and we have 5 milliliters of product. Let's see the color. It has a very light, sweet chemical scent. It's not overwhelming. I actually like the lip color. It is a grey-brown lip shade. It is cool toned and I'm going to let it dry for a couple of minutes. About the liquid lipstick, it is completely dry now. It is a little bit sticky and we can see that it has a matte finish. We got 9 filler products. 9 fillers that I couldn't find the price of them, of course, and we also got 8 products that you can use just once. They have a great collection of products and I'm very surprised that they chose these for the advent calendar. I would say that if you want to try some of the Sephora products, it is better to go and choose the products that you want to try out. This is one of the worst advent calendars that I have unboxed this year and you can find here here some of my unboxing videos. The overall value for this one is 61 euros. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!